Hey guys, Aaron here again, bringing you another cool tool of the week. This week we have the Milwaukee Underhood light. Here it is in action. I just used it today to make a video on cleaning the valves of my M4. So I just wanted to show you this tool. It is super cool. It's got these cool plastic kind of arms on the side. It is spring loaded in the middle, so you just stretch it to whatever size you need. You can see that I can pull on it and it will stretch out and it just pulls itself in and it won't mar. So all it takes is that pressure right there to hold itself up. And then this light simply snaps in and you can take it out. You can see it's got a hook up here on the top, so you could hook it somewhere and hang it. It's got your power button on and off. When you turn it on, it shows you the battery strength, and there are two brightnesses. When you hit the mode button, it dims down to this other brightness and then back up. So it's got two different brightnesses. It uses the M12 batteries, which is awesome because I have some other M12 Milwaukee tools. And this one comes with the XC 4.0. So it is a larger battery and has 4 amp hours. So just as a comparison, this is the battery you get with this. This is the one that came with my ratchet, and it is a 1.5 amp hour battery, so this will last you a lot longer. And the kit, of course, comes with a charger for the battery. So you get the battery, you get this, you get this bar that holds it to the hood. Also, you can use this on the interior of a car. So anytime you're working anywhere, it's super handy. So that was one of the selling features for me when I got this, is I can put in that smaller battery if I'm working and that one dies. Any of the M12 batteries from Milwaukee are compatible with it. So in the description of this video, I'm gonna put links to where you can get this on Amazon. It's just over 200 bucks. So it's not the cheapest tool, but trust me, the quality and usefulness of it will pay for itself. I am very excited to be adding this to my tool collection. All right, guys, hope you're already subscribed to the channel. Go check out some of the other tools of the week, and maybe you'll find something interesting that you need that you didn't know you needed.